welcome back. It has been 24 hours since we did our resin glass vase painting and the tray. I went ahead and pulled this insert out of the vase and it turned out beautiful. It is so pretty. If you remember yesterday, we used the gold metallic alcohol ink, and then we used 4 different colors of alcohol ink on this vase. This is dimensional glass paint that I painted on first, let sit 24 hours, and then we painted our vase. Look how pretty. I am loving this effect of doing the dimensional paint up here because it looks like it held on to the alcohol paint, and then the alcohol paint just kind of drips down, so it looks very antique-y, rustic. Love it. I just can't say enough about this. What a fun technique. Now, this I did not demold yet. This is the silicone holographic flower tray mold that I have, and this does need to sit a little longer, but I can demold it because you can see, well, hopefully you can see, the resin is still a little soft. See, it's a little tilted now, not flat, so I will let it lay on a flat surface while it cures. But here is the back, and then here is the front. Look how awesome that is. This is one of my favorite molds. It is so pretty. I do see a lot of air bubbles where these indentions are, but that's okay. This is going to be a tray to place this on, and even if I wanted to, I can drill a hole and make this as a sun catcher. Hang it up. But I do warn you, I have been researching sun catchers in resin. You have to be very careful because the resin can act like glass, and it can magnify the sun and the sun rays, and it could potentially be a hazard and cause a fire. So sun catcher meaning put it in sun but not direct sunlight, somewhere shady but fun. So what do you think about this project? I will link all the items I use in this project in the description box below. I am going to make some more resin glass vases and use this mold some more. It is one of my favorites. I did get it at a company called Molds and Shapes, I believe, and I'll put that link in there. So, thank you for joining me in this video, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.